In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to embed a Lucidchart diagram into your desired platform. Let's dive right in and get started with these simple steps. To begin, open your browser and head over to lucid.co. This is the web address you'll need to access the Lucidchart platform. Once you're there, look for the option to log in, which is usually visible at the top right corner of the page. Now you'll be asked to sign in, and if you're like many users, you might prefer using your Google account for a seamless login experience. Click on Sign Up with Google. This method not only saves time, but also helps in keeping your credentials neat and organized with your Google account. Once you've clicked on it, you'll see a prompt asking you to choose your Google account. Select the account linked to your Lucidchart so that you can directly access all your previous work and templates. If you're not presented with multiple accounts, then likely you're already logged into the correct one. After logging in, navigate to your dashboard. Here you'll find the option to open existing charts. Click on Open to access the chart or document you want to work with and eventually embed. Upon opening your document, the first step towards embedding is to go to the File menu. Click on File to reveal a drop-down menu with various options. In that menu, locate and click on Embed. This will give you the relevant options for exporting your chart as an embeddable object. At this stage, you'll see a panel with some HTML code displayed. This is your embed code. Highlight it with your cursor. Be careful to ensure you select the entire code since you need all of it for the embedding to work correctly. Next, you'll want to copy this code. You can do this by right-clicking and selecting Copy, or simply using the keyboard shortcut, usually Ctrl+C for Windows or CMD+C for Mac. This copied code will then be pasted into the Embed icon, or the code editing area on the platform where you want your diagram to appear. After you've pasted your embed code in the desired location, go back to your Lucidchart window and click on Activate Embed Code. This crucial step ensures that the code you've placed becomes live, making your diagram interactive and viewable on the platform. Finally, to wrap things up, click on Done. This closes the embedding options and takes you back to your document, confirming that everything is set. And that's it. You now know how to successfully embed a Lucidchart diagram. This process allows you to share detailed and interactive visuals across different platforms easily. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful.